Good Monday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, frost over the weekend, and it looks as though cool temperatures will continue throughout most of the week.
Yeah, Joe, what we saw over the weekend, we had a frontal boundary that came through. It got gusty winds ahead of it there on Saturday, and then as we saw it come through, it dropped those overnight low temperatures below freezing. So we did get a frost or a freeze for those counties along highways 25 and to the west, where temperatures got anywhere around that 30, 31 degrees. As we head into today, we've got something very similar going on this morning. We got a front that's now moving into northwest Kansas. We got winds that are blowing 15 gusting to 25 miles per hour in Burlington and Goodland already. You get further back up there, northeast Colorado, and we got a 55-mile-an-hour gust out there around Fort Morgan and Sterling. Those winds are going to come moving in, barreling in here this morning. That's going to pull some colder air in. We'll see temperatures that are starting out pretty mild right now. We got 51 being reported in Burlington, Goodland, 48 in Colby, 50 in McCook and Oberlin, and then you get behind that gust up there in Wyoming, those winds, you got temperatures that are in the 30s. We're going to warm up here today when the sun comes out. We'll be in that 60 to 65 degree range. When this cold wind and air come in here, we're going to see some gusts here this morning, and probably another round around mid-afternoon. These winds will be gusting up there 45, 55 miles per hour. That'll cause some travel difficulties on those east-west highways, 34, 36, I-70, and 40. And we'll also see potential for the blowing dust, particularly where you got the corn harvested fields and out to the west. So if you're south and west of the line from, let's say, Benkelman to Colby, it's a little drier out there. You got a little bit of harvesting going on. We could have some reduced visibilities as well. Those areas out to the west are also going to be elevated fire conditions, lower relative humidities. It's been drier out there. The fuels are there. So we are in a red flag warning for all the Colorado counties along the border, and also Wallace and Greeley counties in Kansas here today. As far as precipitation, there'll be no moisture to work with. It's a dry frontal passage. Overnight, we'll see the winds start turning to the southwest. They'll die down less than 10 miles per hour. With clear skies, we're going to have the frost potential again tomorrow morning. So we are in a frost advisory for the counties along highways 25 and 27 here in Kansas. There's a freeze warning out in Colorado and Cheyenne County, those lower areas on the Smoky. So we got the potential there again, kind of that repeat of what we saw over the weekend. We get to Tuesday afternoon, we'll see temperatures kind of rebound back up there into the middle 60s. We'll head into the upper 60s to low 70s on Wednesday. That'll be a day where we've got some southwesterly winds. They'll be light, a pretty nice day, 5 to 15 miles per hour. And then for Thursday, Friday, and then again Sunday, Monday, there's going to be two low-pressure systems that kick out of the Rockies. They look like they'll move through the Oklahoma Panhandle, southwestern Kansas. That'll bring us increased chances for showers and thunderstorms Thursday evening, Thursday night, Friday morning, then again Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, overnight into Monday morning. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the upper 50s to lower 60s with those systems as they pass through, and the lows look like they'll stay above freezing in those middle 30s. We'll watch Tuesday morning behind that second system where we could see some upper 20s, maybe some 20-degree readings with that first one or that second one. So that's something we'll keep an eye on. But we got the chances for rain coming up here in the 7-day. Next week, beyond Monday, it looks dry, back up into the 60s, overnight lows above freezing. And then we got another cold snap, it looks like around Halloween, where we could see temperatures again down there in the 20s, and that hard freeze potential will kill some of these flies and really get the fall crops to where they could be harvested and finished up.
Okay, once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.